Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vishpaked. In previous video of trick section, I show you how to draw an arrow using polyline command. I added a link of this video in description box. If you didn't see this video yet, then please go through this link and watch this video. Okay friends, now in this video, I am going to show you how to create a block. We will take a simple square box and convert it in block. Instead of this, you can take your own drawing and convert it in block by following the same steps. Friends, this video is for beginners and experts both. After showing this video, beginner can create block easily and expert can do the same properly. Okay friends, then let's get start this video. Okay, first we will create a simple block using block command. You can activate block command from block panel to simply click on create icon, or you can simply type B in command line and press enter to open block definition dialog box. Friends, I always recommend you to use shortcut command to work fast on AutoCAD. Here you can see our block definition dialog box is opens. In this name text box, type square or you can type your own name. In the base point group, click the pick point button. These options enable you to select the base point for the block by using your cursor. When you have selected this option, the block definition dialog box will be temporarily closed. Notice that the block definition dialog box gives you the option to specify x, y and z coordinates for the base point instead of selecting a point. Using the midpoint object snap, pick the midpoint of this line of square as the base point. After you have selected a point, the block definition dialog box appears. Notice that the x, y and z value in the base point group now display the coordinates of the point you picked. For two-dimensional drawing, the z coordinate should remain at 0. Next, you need to select the object that you want as a part of the block. Click the selected object button in the object group and once again the dialog box will be temporarily closed. Now select the entire square using selection window and press enter or right click to confirm your selection. Okay friends, now select inches from the block unit drop down list. If you are metric user, then you should select centimeters. Click the description list box and enter square by Vishpaked. Make sure the remain radio button in the object group is selected and then click OK. The square drawing is now a block with the name square. Okay friends, when you turn an object into a block, it's stored in a drawing file and ready to be located at any time. The block remains part of the drawing file even when you end the editing session. When you open the file again, the block is available for use. In addition, you can access block from other drawings by using the AutoCAD Design Center. You will learn more about the Design Center in future video. Friends, here we create a block will be acts like a single object, even though it's made up of several objects. One unique thing of this block is that when you modify it, all instances of it are updated to reflect the modifications. For example, if you insert several copies of the square into a drawing and then later decide the square needs to be a different shape, you can edit the square block and all of the other copies of the square are updated automatically. For now friends, we are going to open block definition dialog box again to understand other options available here. You can see our block with name square is ready to use. We can simply open block by clicking on it, but we will learn how to use this block in future video. Here you can see specify on screen options is available. It lets you select the base point for the block. Pick points lets you select the base point for the block. X, Y and Z text boxes enables you to enter exact coordinates for the block's base point. Here in objects group, specify on screen lets you select the objects for the block you created. Select objects and quick select lets you select the objects for the block you have created. Retain is keeping the objects you selected for your block as they are. Here is convert to convert selected objects to a block instance. Delete is for deletes the objects you selected for your block. A warning message appears at the bottom of the object group if you haven't selected objects for the block. After you have selected objects, the warning message changes to tell how many objects you have selected. In behavior section here, annotation turns on annotation scale features for blocks. These features let you use a single block for a different scale. With these features turned on, AutoCAD can be set to adjust the size of the block to the appropriate scale for the viewport. With the annotative option activated, match block orientation to layout option is available. This option causes a block to appear always in its normal orientation with scale uniformly. You can lock X, Y, Z scales of the block by selecting this option. That way, the block will always be scaled uniformly. Here, allow exploding option can be exploded or reduced to their component objects. Your block can't be exploded by turning off these options. Here, block units lets you determine how the object is to be scaled when it's inserted in the drawing using the design center. By default, this value is the same as the current drawing's insert value. Here with hyperlink, you can insert a link to a block where you can select a location or file for your link. Description lets you include a brief description or keyword for the block. This option is helpful when you need to find a specific block in a set of drawings. You will learn more about searching for blocks later in this chapter. Here with this option turned on, the blocks is created and then open in the black editor. Friends, here is the overview of block definition dialog box. I hope you understand all about AutoCAD block. So friends, this is the end of our video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video.